Ulampang kaying dor bar thawan ke jelaw ba med baling do hne ka ap santrik unai lur aja arpo ululumi ka high level meeting ka basaw na kabenta banya khunye ka khlam covid-19 ha ka jela ha ka ne ka jelang lawani shimbenta na du unong yalam kalyang persha Dr. Mukul Sangma umentri rangba ka jelaw konr ke Sangma umentri ka tna ka koi ka khia ba el hek lembar ki we de ha ba kran ba med baling do ulai thu ba ka ne ka jelang kalong na kabenta banya khunye ka khlam covid-19 ba berpin bhai ki jingai jing sumar ha ka jela
the outcome of this today meeting that we had, the committee which we have constituted especially to see how we prevent the spread of COVID-19 from the day one, and today how we control the spiking of cases in the entire state.
Nagalyang umentri rang ba ka jelaw kondat sangma ulo ang baka sorkar jela kalai trei lang bakalyang persha lewat baro ke bedan ketilang barka sorkar banya khone kani ka jingpang ka bashir khai.
The message to the people and the state as a whole that when it comes to a situation like this, we all are going to work together. Whether we are part of the ruling or the opposition, it is our responsibility to ensure that we work as a team and give our ideas and give our suggestions and take it positively and to ensure that we do whatever we can do best to ensure that we can fight this. And I think this message needs to be then further extended to the society as a whole. That this is not just a fight that the government will do or a fight that the MLAs will do or the legislature will do, but it's a fight where the society has to come together. And I think it's only when people and society start responding and start taking this as a serious issue and start following the basic protocols of social distancing, mask wearing and hand sanitization, I think we will see that we'll be able to fight this to a large extent.
Unangelam kalyang persha Dr. Mukul Sangma ulai thu bakalong ka badan kam banya trei lang barka sorkar ha ka banya khone kani ka khlam barula kenturu iki brio ha ka emlang ka salang bakinya snok ti lang barka sorkar banya khone kani ka khlam.
As we confront this challenge of pandemic, how we can minimize the number of casualties, how we can not just mitigate but also ensure that we prevent from further spiking of cases in the days ahead, keeping in mind the clinical surprises that we will be confronted by in the days ahead and the challenges associated with dealing with this highly infectious virus. Now we expect that besides the measures which is put in place by the government, there are need for our community to actively participate in this whole process and how this particular thing can be achieved. Now there's a very important aspect from the side of the government also. Certain areas where we want the government to act upon has been shared. We have shared these concerns and we hope that those course correction will be there.